This is the first guitar that I've ever built, working here at the hobby shop after work. It has about 14 different types of wood. It's an oversized guitar. It's about 1 inch wider and 1 inch longer. It's completely by my own design. I was also able to recess the frets so they're behind a binding, so you don't actually see the cuts where the frets are set in. Put in abalone fret markers for your major positions. I did an inlay here as well. It's acoustic electric. There's a really good set of pickups in it. Under the bridge pickup, it's about a $200 pickup in it. So it has a really nice sound when I play it. I started with the what I figured a guitar should look like, kind of like the shape of it. And I just started cutting these sandwiches out and started making my mold for bending the sides. This is a memory board. It just kind of shows the dimensions that I have for the guitar, and you can take a tape measure or a ruler and just get ideas for when you're cutting the guitar out. So this is an essential piece of it, and it's called a memory board because you always have a record of what you did. Should you sell the guitar or give it away, you can always come back and do another one. So I have my wood and the idea. So the next thing was to start cutting out the tops and the back. And the initial pieces of wood were full-size lumber, so we had to take and cut it on this this bandsaw back here, which has a 4-inch blade on it. It's 4 inches long or 4 inches wide, so you can it'll actually cut nice and true. And you can just cut off little slivers. And then once you get that, you're able to book match the tops and bottoms together and cut them out with your handy little template. Same thing with the sides. These are the pieces that this was the back. These are the two sides, the original pieces that sides came from. And then you have the process of bending the sides, which that's what this jig is for. Here you already have a piece that's one of the sides that's in here. I had to soak it for overnight, soak the wood in a tub of water, and then you have to steam it. So yeah, I'm really grateful to the shop for letting me build this guitar. And I'm really excited about starting my next projects.